Hi, I'm Marcy Lindsay, one of the Georgetown ISD digital learning coaches, and today I'm going to show you how to install software from the Software Center on your Windows 10 laptop. The first thing you'll do is click in the Cortana search and type Software Center. And you'll see that it's anticipating what you're typing, and you'll see Software Center pop up. Click on that, and the Software Center is going to launch. The first time you open the Software Center, it may take a few seconds, minutes for your applications to load, and then you'll start to see some icons fill in. Notice that there's lots of applications in the Software Center, and some you'll have access to, and others you won't have a license to use. So make sure you're installing things that you've been asked to install or that you have a license to install. So one thing that you'll probably want to start off installing is the VLC media player. So I'm going to type in the search bar V as in Victor, LC, and search. And here it is, the VLC player. I'm going to click on that, and you're going to click install. Once your application has installed, you'll be able to see it in your application menu. So over here on your start menu, you can scroll down. These are in alphabetical order, and so I know that that was right here from Videoland. I can see that I have my VLC media player installed. So that is how you install software applications using the Software Center in Georgetown ISD on your Windows 10 laptop.